Hey, what's up everybody? It's Romeo here with another update for my Galaxy Z Fold 3. So, here's the deal. This phone, as of right now, gets a fat one. Because it already has to go back for a warranty repair. Let's see if anybody can figure out why. Open the screen, I get an image. Close the screen. I get no image. Press the button, nothing. Unlock it, nothing. Front screen, it's not that it's unresponsive, it's not working at all. It's been like this for about 3 or 4 days now, and just when I was getting used to having this as my main device, it conks out on me. I am beyond burnt, guys. Beyond. And dealing with Samsung is about as bad as dealing with T-Mobile right now. I will say that. When I was on T-Mobile, I had about probably the worst customer service experience because no two representatives ever told me the same information. Same thing is going with this Samsung. You get sent to one representative, they put you on hold for 20 minutes, somebody else picks up, you gotta tell your story all over again, over and over and over again. What they were trying to get me to do, they were trying to get me to send this back, cancel my order, get a refund, and then buy it again. And I was like, no, that is unacceptable because I got deals on this phone when I bought it that I'm not going to be able to get again. So I got $1,000 in trade-in credit, okay, for this phone because I traded in my Note 20 Ultra 5G and I traded in a cracked iPhone XS Max. So with that, I got $1,000 off, paid about $800 something for the phone, which I thought was a pretty good deal with the trade-ins. But I was gonna lose all that. So then, I had to explain to them, listen, I had already sent back in the phones. I'm not going through all this because it's gonna take a while. So after about 5 representatives, no lie, I'm not even exaggerating. After 5 representatives, it was either on the 5th or the 6th one, they finally transferred me to warranty repair or exchange, which is pretty much Assurion. And they told me that the phone is currently on back order. I'm like, okay, you pre-release a phone and you don't think to have a stock ready for defective devices that are going to get returned, because the phone isn't working properly. Like this phone has never been without a case. I've never taken it out without a case. I was too petrified to take it out without a case. So here I am waiting another 5 to 8 days for them to have some kind of stock back in. And then they will send me my phone in which I have to send this back. Another frustrating thing is that these cases that come with this phone, all of the good cases or better cases are going to have some sort of adhesive inside here, okay? Inside the rim of the case that attaches it to the phone so that these things just don't, because there's really no place for the case to click onto the phone except for the camera side. On the camera side, somehow it clicks in fine. It only needed like one strip, but this side needs like almost the whole side down. Anyway, when I took this off to examine the phone, as a matter of fact, I had to switch SIM cards, and there was sticky. The sticky part came off of the case and stuck to the phone. So it's gonna take me like, I don't know, probably an hour or so to get all that stuff off without damaging it so I can send it back. Other than that, I was really enjoying using the phone. I enjoyed using my Galaxy Gear S3 watch. Am I saying that right? Over the Apple Watch, which, it's the Apple Watch is cool. Like it'll play videos on some of my security camera notifications, whereas the Gear 3 watch would not. That's one of the things I enjoyed about the Apple Watch. But I was really starting to, get back into the Android thing, and this happened. Speaking of returning devices. This is my Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. This thing also has to go back because then this one was my fault. I don't know if you can see it through here. I cracked the screen. It's got a big spider crack here. I had this propped up like this. This case comes out like this. And you see this back here. This was too close to the edge of the table. It slipped off and the whole thing landed on its screen this way. I don't know if you can see it. It flipped backwards and the whole thing landed on the screen. So I cracked it, and thank God I have protection on it from Best Buy, the Geek Squad protection plan. But they're telling me it's gonna be 5 weeks until I can probably get it back. So I called Samsung, and they, one Samsung, again, here I go with Samsung service. Samsung is telling me, oh, I still have time to put Samsung insurance on this device and I'll get it back a lot quicker. And I start looking into that, and you know what they tell me? For tablets and PCs, it's only available on point of sale. Like, in other words, I can't buy the insurance afterwards. So I'm shit out of luck. I guess I'm gonna have to deal with Best Buy, which is, it is what it is. This was my fault. So I know that when I get it back, I'm gonna have to put a screen protector of some sort, or at least a better case. But I kind of like this case. I don't like the fact that it leaves the screen without any edge protection, yeah, without any edge protection. It leaves it kind of like, bare. So when it's fell, the screen hit the, it hit the floor so flat, and it cracked it. I got like a little chip here. It's still usable, but I do want to get it fixed. But dealing with customer service on Samsung was not a very straightforward experience. So this will be going back. Can you guys let me know, has anyone else dealt with this issue with the Fold 3 front screen just stopping working? There's no trauma to the phone. I haven't dropped it. I don't know what this could be, but it is what it is. Here I am waiting for these back orders to be fulfilled. If anybody else has dealt with an issue similar to this, or if they have had to return their Samsung for any kind of warranty issue, please let me know in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.